Welcome to Shop Time, where I show you what I've been working on here in the Tool Teardowns shop. Now, I have more video review ideas than I have time to produce videos, so I need your help picking what I should do next. But first, let me show you something I've been working on here in the shop. I am breaking out the heavy-duty tools here because I need to do a suspension upgrade on one of our vehicles. Which vehicle, you might ask? Well, let me show you. Of course, I was just joking about using the impact wrench here on this bike. You don't need a tool like that for a little girl's bicycle. I have a much more appropriate tool for this job. You know, installing these was just supposed to be a joke for this video, but I actually stopped recording because installing these was a huge pain. They claim they fit bikes this small, but they don't fit them very well. I had to modify a couple things, and I may actually have to trim the chain guard here because it's rubbing just a little bit. But that's a project for another day. Okay, enough of that silliness. Now on to the video ideas. These are ideas that I've kind of started, but I really need to pick one and focus on it, and that's where I need your help. So the first option is a review of my 29-gallon Harbor Freight air compressor. I've had it about a year. I've had it long enough to know that there are some significant pluses and minuses to buying this air compressor. I would not tear it apart, but I'd show you who made it, show you some of the parts, and compare it to my old oil-free air compressor. So the next option would be a locking pliers video. I bought a bunch of different locking pliers. I actually talked about this in a past video, and I started putting them through some tests, and it turned out my tests were not very good. So you all made some suggestions on some better tests. So in this video, I'd be testing a bunch of different brands, ranging from cheap ones to some fancy made in Germany ones, and we'll find out which one is the best bargain. So the final idea would be 2 top 5 videos. Since we're entering the holiday season, these would show 5 reasonably priced gift options from Harbor Freight and from the Craftsman brand. So what do you guys think? Which video should I do first? Let me know in the comments down below, and while you're down there, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button so you'll know when I release these new videos.